Smile.
Good job, Megan.
Did you film my round?
But then
Yes. Who are you writing? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah.
it's basically what happened. I'm glad I did. There's no clapping.
Oh, okay.
No clapping.
Someone's gonna remind me. Well, you'll be the only Riri clapping, so. Look, turn. Look.
I have like white knuckles on like the sleeve of my jacket.
Sit up. Nice.
I don't think you took a breath on herself.
Yeah, she's not looking very well. Corner. Nice change. Stay out. Trista, stay out.
Use your corners, Trista. He doesn't like to.
He's cute though.
Yeah. Really cute.
Nice. Yeah, he's being a good boy.
You guys, please don't applaud after this last jump.
Trista, be prepared.
Applaud.
I heard it, but I wasn't going to
Don't applaud. Don't applaud.